What's going on, you guys? This is Mr. Hamilton, Mr. Grind Time again. I wanted to make a quick video going over some activities that a lot of students are missing in J Campus right now. So I want to clarify some things in those activities so you can get them made up, get those grades up, be on to success. All right, here we go. So the first activity I want to touch on is the Articles of Confederation post. It's on your stream page. It's one, two, three, four, five posts from the top. So I'm going to click on November 4th. I just want to look at the activity itself. You want to open up the perspectives of the Articles of Confederation Google Doc. Okay, what you had to do on this doc is you had to take on one of the documents. You had three documents, document A, B, and C. You had to answer the question that is at the top of each document. Like here's Doc A. The question says, what does Hamilton believe is the greatest weakness of the Articles of Confederation? All right, I'm going to scroll now. I want to do document C, though. Scroll down. Each group had a different document. You only had one document to do to analyze. So for this one, first we answered the question. It says, what does Washington believe will happen to the new nation if the weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation are not addressed? So we cited evidence, restated the question. We cited some textual evidence to support it. Based on what I read, Washington believes the government should have no more power to regulate the functions of, should have, more power to regulate the functions of the country. All right, so that's our claim. He believes that they should have more. In the text we found, in the text it states, where then can be the danger of giving them such powers as are adequate to the great ends of government. So in other words, he's saying that they need those powers. All right, so why not give them to them so they can run the government efficiently? The next thing they had to do, you had to have a movie title for each paragraph or chunk within your document that describes the overall main idea. So how do you do that? All right. So what I do is I kind of get a skim like this first paragraph. I'm kind of skimming it, seeing what he was talking about. It now rests in the Confederated powers. That's the states by the line of conduct they mean to adopt to make this country great, happy, respectable, born in decay. But no. Okay. So to me, I'm just gonna highlight this paragraph. All right. Or I'll highlight something specific that I'm going to use. Let me highlight something very specific that I'm going to kind of center my movie title around. And then I'll hit this little plus sign right here. And I'm going to give a movie title that best describes this chunk. All right. He goes on to say anarchy and confusion. For certain, I am that unless adequate powers are given to Congress. So he believes that the powers, if they're not given to Congress, that the country will eventually reach anarchy, which is just government, no rules, people just doing what they want. So I would call this maybe, it's a good movie title, something already. Terminator. And the reason I called it Terminator is because I can remember when the movie's Terminator, how it was like anarchy. Like people were just wilding all over the place, doing what they wanted. The world was about to end. It was chaotic. So he believes the government would eventually reach that stage if Congress is not given adequate amount of power. So I'm gonna comment there. That is essentially all you have to do for each of these paragraphs after you answer that initial question in your document. You would do a movie title for each. Yeah, that's one, two. You got three paragraphs in document C. A movie title that represents the main idea of that document. All right. So that's pretty much it on that task, you guys. Um, there's also one last little thing, but most people got this done. That was a Nearpod lesson right here. You can click this link for Nearpod; it'll take you directly to that lesson. You can go through that. But most people completed that portion, but a lot of people didn't complete the perspectives of the Articles of Confederation doc. So movie titles, answer the question for your document. You only have to do one of them. One document, one question, and movie titles for each paragraph in that document. All right. You all have a great day. I'm out. Grind time as always.